Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to send money from Bask Bank via Zelle. This is easy. The first step we need to do is find Bask Bank in our browser. Once we find this Bask Bank, we're gonna click the first result right here. As you can see, we have this, okay? This page will appear. To send money to with Zelle with Bask Bank, you need to download the app. Okay. Um, Also, you need to create an account. To send money, you are going to find in your app. You're going to select your checking account, and you will find Zelle. Okay. You will find Zelle to send the money. Here you have a tutorial to make a transfer with Zelle. It's really easy. The first step you need to do is open your uh, app, and then you need to add your username and password. Once you do this, you need to select right here in the menu the option transfer, and you need to find the option called send money with Zelle. And right here, if that your first time sending money with Zelle in Bask Bank, you need to add email or a mobile number to verify or link the Zelle your Zelle account with your email or your phone number. Then once you do this, you can send money easily adding a mobile phone number of other person. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.